Hello friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and in today's video I'm going to be cleaning my home. I'm going to be cleaning the kitchen, living room, and I'm going to be doing some laundry. I have respite coming on this day to help out with Cooper for a little bit, so I'm trying to get it tidied up enough that it's not a complete disaster when she gets here. And sorry for the shaking here in the video. I just noticed it when I was editing and I believe it was my son hitting the tripod with his stick with the ribbons on it. You'll see him here in a second going around with his little stick and ribbons, and I'm pretty sure he was hitting it and I just didn't notice that he was doing that, so I do apologize for the shaky footage there for a second. But I'm just going to be emptying and refilling the dishwasher and then cleaning the kitchen and the living room. And he had so many snacks on the floor, you guys. It was crazy in the living room, so I had to get that cleaned up. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get cleaning.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You came right out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're out of tight. And you, I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're out of tight. And you, I got you.
You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you.
And you got me too.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if It's just love in every glass I'm drinking. We're like one, and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own. 'Cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you shown me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own. 'Cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm just fine 'cause I got you. Rain guiding my way before, pouring like a waterfall. I've cried a million tears and more to find out where I belong. We're not young, but we're still free and running. And this day has never kept us bothering. Every day we dance and life's been smiling. We're not young, still drunk in love. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own. 'Cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Time is up, nothing to do. You are gone, that makes me blue. But here he comes to take me too.
I look in the mirror, who's looking back at me? I don't know what happened, guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. Back when I met you, we were like fireworks. Thought nothing could break us.
So that's all to share with you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps me out, and definitely consider subscribing if you enjoy cleaning videos, thrifting videos, decorating videos, makeover videos. I do lots of those types of videos here on this channel, and I would absolutely love it if you would consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
We got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on.